This love is real, but is it long term? Let's have a look. So it just shows there, you've got a very deep love here. You know, the bond between you is very strong, thinking about each other all of the time. You know, you're kind of daydreaming about one another. When you're together, it's amazing. When you're apart, you know, you're missing this person. Just want to know whether it's going to kind of carry on and be a long-term relationship, whether that be marriage or just together forever. Let's take a look and see whether that's what you've got here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, you're supposed to be together. That's just showing there that nobody could replace you. Okay, so you're irreplaceable to this person. It's a very unique bond. So some people around you might not understand it, friends, family. It just shows that the bond that you have here, you've never met anyone like this before that's made you feel that way. This person also feels the same. So it just shows that they didn't think this was possible. They didn't know they could meet someone that they could be themselves with. They were expecting the worst, possibly. Maybe you were expecting it to change and not to work. There's doubt. So yeah, you definitely had doubts and concerns. And maybe that stopped you both from kind of moving forward, or this person from taking action. The regret not moving the way they should. So it just shows here they feel good about this connection, but maybe they've just a little bit of fear in there and they needed to kind of take some time, see divine timing, needed a bit of time to just realise that this isn't just, you know, a flame that's going to burn out. This isn't just a spark. This is like the real deal. So yeah, for sure, this person loves you, you love them, and it's going to last. Let's just look at the tarot and see what indications we get from that. Okay, upside down. So yeah, it's set for success and it's set for long term. This is you as grandparents, or, you know, when you're old and grey, being together in a really strong family unit. So for sure, this is meant to last. It just shows there that you'll have a wonderful life together. You know, you're looking to the future there, you're making plans together. It shows that you could possibly travel a lot together as well, or something to do with the globe. I really do feel as though this love is just showing there that this could be fire signs, so Leo, Sagittarius and Aries involved. Definitely shows here that this is something that this person has thought about, and you've thought about yourself. Maybe straight away you knew, okay, I feel like this is my forever person. I feel so much so that it's actually got you both in a place where you're kind of overthinking. Okay, so we just need to kind of relax, because that could cause a block, and we don't want that, because this is your person, this is the one. Attraction is there. That's, you know, that's off the charts basically with that. That's all about physical attraction, and it just shows here you feel like you are supposed to be lovers. That's Adam and Eve on there, so you couldn't get a better pairing really. It comes as a shock to the both of you. Maybe you weren't looking for this at the time, but this is definitely supposed to be. Shows that the relationship will be very adventurous, lots of fun, kind of spontaneity all around. But the good news is that, you know, this person wants to build a solid foundation with you, a home, a future. And again, that's why we saw the Ten of Pentacles there with that. That's somebody who builds something very, very solid. We are getting air signs showing through as well. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius could also be involved in that. Just get one last, water signs as well. So we've got Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So we've got fire, air and water that could be involved in this, you or them. But this is definitely your person. And if you just let it, it's going to happen quite quickly. Be bold in this relationship, because this person wants to kind of know that you feel the same. So you can take action as well as them.